Craving something sweet and refreshing? Here is a 100% diabetic-friendly, diet-friendly Kefir Elixir that keeps you full and may help support your metabolism. First, we'll make it, then we'll look at its glycemic values. Let's get started. You can see all the ingredients on the screen. Add 130 grams of strained kefir to a mixing bowl. If you don't have strained kefir, you can simply use 280 milliliters of regular kefir instead. In that case, you probably won't need to add extra water. Next comes 25 grams of erythritol. If you prefer another sweetener, here's the sugar equivalent of this recipe. 18 grams of sugar. Now add 3 grams of psyllium husk powder, 1 gram of ground ginger, 7 grams of cinnamon, and a tiny pinch of ground cloves. Be careful, the cloves are very strong. Add a pinch of salt, 3 drops of vanilla extract if you like. And finally, 150 milliliters of cold water. Again, if you're using regular kefir, you may not need the water. Blend everything with a hand blender for about 1 to 2 minutes. As the psyllium absorbs the liquid, it naturally thickens the drink. The result is a smooth, creamy kefir elixir that's surprisingly filling. 1 glass can even replace a light meal. Enjoy! Now let's take a look at its nutritional values. 1 full glass contains only 2.9 grams of net carbs. Its glycemic load is just 0.3, meaning it has almost no impact on blood sugar. You also get 12.6 grams of protein and about 204 calories. Those are impressive numbers, and the taste is just as good. Our recommendation? Always keep some strained kefir in your refrigerator. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support means a lot to us. Until our next recipe, take care and stay healthy.